today's video, I'll be suggesting you few books that are classics and that too under 100 rupees. But before getting into the video, in the previous video I discussed books like Ikigai, Amber in the Ashes and Animal Farm. So if you guys are interested to know more about the book, don't forget to check that video out. Now let's get started with the classics I have here. The first one I have is As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. It is a non-fictional book, very short book and easy to understand. Basically, it is a self-help book and it tells you how our thinking can make a huge impact in our day-to-day life. Like our thought process can influence our lifestyle also. So that is As a Man Thinketh for you guys by James Allen. Now getting into the next book is my absolute favorite by Charles Dickens, The Christmas Carol. It has got an interesting storyline where a man named Scrooge dislikes Christmas and all the events that takes place. Like what happens when he meets three spirits of past, present and future. It's actually very interesting to read what happens to the person, and also this is a kind of book where all the age group will definitely enjoy this. So it is A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. Now getting into the next book is my absolute favorite is Ruskin Bond's The Blue Umbrella. The book is again very short and sweet, but this book, the storyline is so touching that it will teach you few values. It will make you realize what humanity basically is. So it is a story about a girl named Binya who lives in a small village, and what happens when she discovers this blue umbrella and what all the events that take place after discovering the umbrella, and finally what she does with this umbrella. So that is The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bonds for you guys. Getting into the next book is a slight out of the box book. I have made video about this. You guys can go and check that video out, but just to give you a slight the info or just about this book is The Animal Farm by George Orwell. The storyline is not about humans but about animals and fighting for their freedom to have a nice independent life, and how what all they do, trust me, what all they do to get that freedom is all written in this book and very well explained. So you will thoroughly enjoy this book. Like if you're bored reading all about humans and that kind of genre, you will definitely enjoy this book. Getting on to the next book I have here is The Metamorphosis. This is also a slightly different with a new storyline which you won't read on a usual basis. So okay, fine, I forgot to tell you the author's name. It is by Franz Kafka. The story is about a man, Gregor, who gets up one day and finds out that he has turned into a huge insect. And what all happens is actually so interesting to see. His struggle, his adaptation to that lifestyle is all given so nicely in this book that you will definitely enjoy this. Now getting on to the next book, I don't think so that book requires any introduction, but still I'll give you. The name is The Great Gatsby, where again it's a fictional. For those of you guys who don't know, this is actually very famous book and it deserves it. Now I know why this book is called a famous timeless classic book, because the story is written so wonderfully. It's not just about a man, okay, the man being a billionaire and all his wealth, but I'll tell you, the book is like a man named Jay Gatsby and his love for Daisy Buchanan. What surprises me is the era in which this book has written. It's not just fighting for true love or just that that jazzy thing which is going on in this book, but it is much more than that. You will discover it while you read. And one more thing I'll love to say is that guys who are looking to improve their English or to know more, to add on words in their vocabulary, this is the book for you guys. You will definitely enjoy this book. Okay, now moving on to the next book. To be honest, the only reason I bought this book is because if you guys know a book called After by Anna Todd, in that book they have mentioned the characters of this book called The Withering Heights. Honestly speaking, I haven't read this book yet. I would definitely love to read it. The only purpose, or just to know what and all are there, is just I have read this in another book called Anna After by Anna Todd, and the way they have written, the way she has written, and explained or given example of the characters, I was, that is the reason I was interested. Like, I need to read Wuthering Heights only for that purpose. So, Wuthering Heights by Emily Braun. It is again a classic book, and that too under 100 rupees. That is the most surprising thing for me, that I can get such a amazing book, and that too under 100 rupees. So yeah, these are all the books which I had, which I bought, that are under 100 rupees. One more thing, you guys, the collection which I have right now, I have bought this from Amazon, and you can get that available easily on Amazon. That's it for today's video, and if you guys have already read these books, please do share your experience in the comment section below. And that's it. Till then, keep reading, keep rocking. See you next time. Bye.